If you have super dry skin, I mean, if you have dry skin that you feel like no matter what you do, it's still dry. You exfoliate, you moisturize, everything you're doing, you still end up with dead, dry skin. Or that skin. It's time for you to try the Mango Glow. So the Mango Glow is an amazing exfoliator. So this will exfoliate your skin, but hydrate it at the same time. I mean, it hydrates your skin to the point where you feel like you don't have to use moisturizer after it, but you do. So, but it feels like that. It feels so great after you use this. This is gonna help dissolve a lot of those dead skin cells, but also really hydrate. It's gonna help that microbiome, that skin layer that can really get damaged if your skin is like super dry and you're not getting all the ingredients that you need to get it healthy again. This will help with that. So if you're suffering and you feel like your skin, it kind of hurts because it's so dry, switch to the Mango Glow. If you don't have it yet, you need to get this. So, and if you have it and you haven't been using it, you need to use it. It's one of the gentlest exfoliants that I've ever used. So you're gonna put it on your skin morning or night, not both, morning or night. You're just gonna let it stay on for a couple of minutes, massage it around and rinse. And it is not a makeup remover. So you do it on cleansed skin. So it feels great. To me, it's like when you have like a nice fresh glass of juice in the morning, that's what this feels like, because it smells amazing. It smells so good and it feels so great on your skin. This is the best exfoliator for people with that super dry skin.